Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very interesting video about a low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x. You can't really say low cap due to the fact that the pre-sale is going to be happening very soon for this token, so it's not even being released yet. And the token I'm talking about is Solar Moon. I've seen a lot of comments where you guys are like, Sky, most of the tokens you talk about, they have had their initial spike. Can you post something that is new? And that is exactly what I have for you guys today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it help me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people will see the positive side of Solar Moon. They decide to buy it on the pre-release, it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Boys and girls, I'm not a financial advisor, so after watching this video, make sure you guys do your own research before putting your money into anything, because it is your hard-earned money. Now, talking about Solar Moon, the personal reason why I like this token is due to the fact they do have a very interesting idea behind it. Now, this is the first token that pays its holder while reducing our carbon footprints with solar mining. If you scroll down a little bit, you guys can see the pre-sale is in 13 days, which is going to be 1st of July, and they are partnered up with some companies called Clean Air Task Force, Sunny Mac, and Binance Smart Chain, because they are obviously based on Binance Smart Chain. They do have a wallet, so every single transaction that occurs through this token will have a 10% fee, and 6% of that will go to a community fee, will be funded for solar mining rigs to lower our carbon footprint and pay returns. So pretty much their 6% of every single transaction goes into this wallet, and that money will be used to fund solar mining rigs. The plan, with the use of 6% community wallet contribution on all transactions, we will partner with the state governments and local utilities to build solar farms that will generate power for crypto mining rigs. This will use the power of blockchain to sustainably reduce our carbon footprints as a country, as well as create an inevitable return for our holders from energy produced. The impact, this is very interesting. In America alone, we produce 4.1 trillion kWh of electricity annually, with only 11.5% coming from clean energy source, which is obviously renewable. This leaves a carbon footprint of 1.72 billion metric tons of carbon CO2 each year. With every kW of solar installed, our carbon footprint is reduced by 3,000 pounds of CO2. 4W solar farm alone estimates 6 million pounds of carbon waste annually. So you guys can see they have a very interesting idea. They're trying to reduce the carbon waste that the humans are doing on the planet, and at the same time reduce the impact that the cryptocurrency is making. You guys know the solely reason why Elon and Tesla decided to stop using Bitcoin as a form of payment. The profit, the thing about a project that makes it so sustainable is the community wallet investment in their solar mining rigs will provide returns based on the amount of solar moon someone is holding. I know this sounds crazy, but what's interesting is in 23 or even more than 23 states in America, the federal government will annually pay to fund these systems, while we will be able to see incredible returns from crypto we mine. So the reason they will be actually funding it is due to the fact they are reducing the carbon waste that the humans are producing, and obviously the government do want to help with that and make sure that the country is a little bit safer. And this is the whole plan. You guys can read through it. It's very interesting, and at the same time it is actually sustainable. And they also made a full video explaining how everything is going to be set up, how the money is going to be used, and how the mining will occur, and therefore actually increasing the price of Solar Moon. I just personally do love the idea. It just looks very interesting and very unique. I have not seen any token do this, and as you guys can see, one of the people in the team of Solar Moon actually made a full video showing everything about Solar Moon, and at the same time showing the solar panels that will be installed to help with the crypto mining. By the way, the team is actually public. If you scroll down, at the moment there are two big heads that are actually working for this team. The first one being Braxton and the second one being Peter. Both of them do have a very interesting background. They have a lot of actually idea on what they're doing with crypto. By the way, Braxton is the head of the crypto development, and Peter is going to be the head of web development and solar installation, which is obviously helping everything set up and also making sure this works properly. By the way, every single transaction that occurs, 10% will be charged, 6% will be used to actually place the solar panels, 2% will be redistributed to all the holders of Solar Moon, and 2% will be locked to liquidity to actually stabilize the price. Talking about their roadmap, in Q2 of 2021, they want to create the social medias, launch the token, begin the paid advertisement on social media, reach a capital of at least 50 million. That's crazy thinking about they want to do it in less than a month. In Q3, they want to reach a market cap of 100 million, start designing off the first solar field. In Q4, they want to reach 500 million of market cap, start the search for our next solar rig location, purchase our first set of graphic cards and the mining equipment. And finally, their main idea is to actually keep going forward in 2022 and keep this plan actually growing. They also want to contribute 60 million and reach a market cap of $2 billion. I personally do see that happening. I don't know why, but I do like the fact that they do have physical use case where Solar Moon will be used, and at the same time holding onto this token, I think they do have some ideas. If you do want to get in contact with the team, this is probably the best way to do so, as they will respond to you. If you want to work for them and help them out, that would be a good place to contact them as well. The pre-sale will start in 13 days and close to 11 hours. That's not very long if you think about it. It's going to be happening very soon, and I would recommend joining in very early. Talking about their Telegram, even before the token is released, there's like still 2 weeks left. They already have close to 1,300 members. And keep in mind, if you do want to get in early and know exactly how the pre-sale will be occurring, joining their Telegram would be the best thing to do, because they do post all the updates and also on their Twitter. But the thing is, on Telegram there is also a lot of other people you will be able to talk about if you have any specific questions towards the moon or Solar Moon. Now, talking about their Twitter page, they have close to 400 followers. You guys can see they're growing even before the token is released, so just keep in mind, once the token is released, I think it is going to have a huge impact and it is going to be growing very quickly. Now, talking about their white paper, it is already being released and they have actually showed us everything that you need to know. How does the mining work? The mining process by which the new token are entered into the circulating of blockchain. So what is the problem? The bad part is that blockchain require quite a bit of electricity, and that is obviously done through something that is not renewable and also causes a lot of CO2 into the world. And the solution is very simple. Just use energy source which is renewable, such as using sunlight or also hydro dams. That would be the best place to go. Their base idea is they want to purchase the land, set up the graphic cards, build the solar panels, and then start mining the token. Great idea. And as you guys can see, what will be the profits looking like? Exact same thing we saw before. What if something happens to crypto? The fact that we entered a bear market is a wonderful thing for our project. Crypto is most definitely here to stay. What if mining becomes less profitable? Mining will always be part of blockchain, even if it's simply that one coin that becomes more profitable to mine than others. How mining makes profit paid, obviously everyone knows that. What is the timeline for our first project? It might be happening in 6 months, so it is very early. As you guys can see, this token looks very interesting. If you ask me, I personally think I would put a little bit of my money into it, but again, it's your money, so make sure you do your decision. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.